because the cool girl never gets angry. Nick is simply too immature to realize that relationships require compromise and communication and an established idea of commitment, whatever it may be, to the parties involved. Okay, closing time. Of course, murdering people and lying about abuse is not the right way to take justice into your hands. But Gone Girl isn't so much an example of the crazy women trope as it is an examination of it. Amy Dunn was emotionally abused by her parents and emotionally jilted by her husband. Like I said, Amy is a manipulative, self-absorbed person. But Gone Girl wants us to look at the people who made her that way. Like her entitled husband and selfish and materialistic parents. The fact of the matter is, women are often portrayed as disruptive and immature to boost the ego of a heartbroken man. Gone Girl is simply a reversal of this trope. Nick Dunn is the disruptive and immature one, and his wife's the one with an ego. Amy Dunn is no Girl Scout, nor does she possess the best moral compass.
Jilt. Jilt. Jilt.